This 2019 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 180QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 21 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, LP detector, refrigerator, skylight, smoke detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 180QB is 2,713 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.